This video shows how to maintain the K13 DTF printer. Normally, we should perform maintenance once a week. The first step is to clean the print head in the software. The power light becoming solid blue means the cleaning is finished. The second step is to print the nozzle check page. If the nozzle check page has broken lines, we need to pull 5 milliliters of ink out from the ink dampers and waste ink lines. Then clean the print head again and ensure the nozzle check page is good. The lines are clear and unbroken before printing your patterns. To prevent white ink sedimentation, pour out the white ink from the bottle. You can see the settled white ink at the bottom. Stir. Add water. Shake the bottle, and then drain the liquid, and then put the bottle back. It's recommended to clean the white ink sediment every 30 days. Here is the printer's encoder strip. Ink or dust may fall on it during the printing process, which will affect printing accuracy. So we should keep it clean. In daily use, the yellow belt may also get ink on it, so we also need to clean it every 2 weeks. Here is the slide rail of the ink carriage. It is necessary to check whether the slide rail is lubricated enough. If the lubricating grease on this slide rail is insufficient, the ink carriage will encounter resistance when moving, affecting the printing speed. It is recommended to apply lubricating grease every 30 days. During daily use, there will be excess ink around the waste ink pad. We can use a swab to clean it, in particular. This wiper is used to wipe away the excess ink at the bottom of the print head. Then we clean the ink around the bottom of the print head dot. It's recommended to clean the platform and print head every 2 weeks. After we finish cleaning, do not expose the ink carriage to the air for too long, otherwise it will cause clogging of the print head. Move it to the base position to seal it with the waste ink pad. We can observe how much waste ink the container has collected from the side and pour it out in time if it is full. You can also check the ink level from the side and check regularly to prevent a lack of ink. Now we have completed all the maintenance steps.